Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I am going to guide you through the steps to add your EBT card to the Sam's Club app. It's a convenient way to shop for eligible items and manage your benefits. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, first things first, make sure you have the Sam's Club app installed on your mobile device, okay? All right, so you can download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. And once it's installed, open the app. All right. Okay, so I have the Sam's Club's app here installed. Okay, now you have to log into your Sam's Club account using the email name and password right here. So if you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up. All right, create one, and once you have successfully registered your account, you might wanna use it on this interface. All right, in the Sam's Club app. All right here, so sign in, and then you should look for the EBT card integration or similar option. It's usually in the app settings or account management section. Tap on it and start the process like here, and you will be prompted to enter your EBT card information. This typically includes the EBT card number and your personal information. Follow the on-screen instructions to input this information accurately. And after entering your EBT card details, you know what? Review the information to ensure that's correct. It's important to make sure you're linking the right card to your Sam's Club account, okay? So it pays to check, right? Sam's Club may have terms and conditions related to using EBT for eligible purchases. So make sure to read and accept these terms before proceeding. And once you've reviewed and accepted the terms, tap confirm, all right, and save. Your EBT card should now be linked to your Sam's Club account. You can now shop for eligible items using your EBT card in the Sam's Club app. Be aware that not all products may be EBT eligible, so look for the EBT label or category when browsing. Okay, and there you have it. You've successfully added your EBT card into the Sam's Club app, allowing you to shop for eligible products conveniently. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.